How does it feel to be the president of half of Turkey and stuff like that?
Başkan olmanın hissiyatı ne diyor? Türkiye'nin başkanı, Türkiye'nin yarısının başkanı diyor.
Why he chose Fenerbahçe?
Niye Fenerbahçe'yi seçti?
Ben de ona soru soracağım.
He will also ask you some questions.
Yes, definitely will be.
Transfer ederken Udo'yu İlahiyat'e sordular.
When we were transferring you, he asked about you to Hido.
Udo dedi ki hiçbir şey oynayamazsa bench'te oturur dedi.
He said, even though he doesn't play at all.
Did you always want to be the Besiktas president?
Of course.
When was the moment that you realised, okay, this is going to happen, I'm going to be the president?
No, when I was 13. Because my father is the vice president. I'm born in the club. And I know that all steps in the club's last years. I built this stadium. We have in the past